Hello everyone, so I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to put together the mini coffee cup holder featuring the Stamp Doctor dies. And these are her die here. And then that one you can also purchase the mini coffee cover dies, and they work beautifully. I love these. Definitely a time saver there. And then this also comes with the mini coffee cup holder die as well. And then I'm also going to do a quick tutorial on the lip balm box, which looks like this. Okay, so this is a tag that I'm not quite finished with, but if you use that sprinkle punch by We Are Memory Keepers, definitely keep the negative piece. Once you cut it out, punch out all these little sprinkles, you can use the negative piece as a background or something else. So I'm not done with this one, but that's how far I've gotten so far. I love this tag die. It's from Bo Bunny. So we're going to first put together the mini coffee cup holder die. Okay. And it's really, really easy. Let me move over the pom-poms. And then all I did was I added sticky strip here, and then on these three sides here, and the three sides here. Okay. And first thing you have to do is fold on all the score lines. On this side. And then this one, we have 4 score lines, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So and then this one. Okay. I'm just going to remove my sticky strip on these real quickly. Sorry, I feel weird because I cut off my nails. I had nails starting to grow at least. They weren't all the way out, but now I can't hardly grab and do anything without nails. Made it a little easier to do this, but I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side while I'm at it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just line this up with this, like so. Okay, and then the other side. Trying to stay in view here. And then we're going to do the top here, just one side at a time. So we'll do this. And then you can go inside and just make sure it's in good. And then this side here. I'm going to take this off. Now what I like to do here is fold this down. Okay, fold these in. And then you can get a good crease on the inside where that's down like that, and then just go down and then just kind of use your finger, make sure it's in there real good. And you can use a bone folder if you prefer. So it's that easy, quick and easy. And then here on the back, what I'm going to do here, okay, so there is the tray holder. Now this is a little flimsy, and so all I do for that is, now you can cut it, this comes with the die so that you can layer on this part if you like, which makes it really nice to be able to layer there. But if you wanted to, you can also add that here cut it out a couple of times. Add that here, and then add I would add at least 2 sheets of cardstock if you have light cardstock especially. This is Stampin' Up! Cardstock. It's a little bit thicker. And then once you have the 2 papers there, then you can add 1 more here, and then you can, this is where you can like write a message or something if you wanted to. Or again, here on the front, you can always add a gift card holder here on the front if you would like. So those are a couple options. Here, I just decided for this tutorial, I'm just going to cut out just a piece of cardstock here. And I'm going to have to trim off the top a little bit, but that's okay. Just going to have to cut it just a little bit. There, like I said again, if you cut 3 of these out, put 2 here on the bottom and then 1 on the top. I've done that before as well. It helps to reinforce the back. You can add your mini coffee cup or hot cocoa cup. Really, really cute. Or if you like, you can also add these little treat cups, and they fit in here really nicely as well. So really cute. This is what the layering piece looks like. And then you can also add these little windows here, like right here. They have these little flags that you can also add. You can stamp on and add a little flag there as well. She thought of everything. I think it's just a fun little die. So there's that. You can also add this is another little treat cup that I made here. Use a punch and add like a little handle if you would like. So there's another idea as well. So next we're going to put together this lip balm holder, and I just added some sticky strip here and then just some sticky strip here, and that's all you need. This is just a little like a little window you can cut out like I did here. You can cut out the windows if you would like, which I did here, or just stamp on it right here and use it as a sentiment. Okay, so again, I'm just going to remove the tape, and all you do is fold this down. And then I'm just going to crease on all the score marks or score lines. You can use a bone folder if you prefer. Okay, I'm just going to remove this right here. This is really quick and easy to put together as well. So you can make, if you had 50 of these to make, you could do them real quick. Just a tip on making your box. I like to put in the lip balm while I make the box so that I don't go in too much. The other thing that I like to do when I create the box is I like to fold in the flaps like so, both sides. Sometimes what happens when you don't do that is these will not go in correctly or straight. So this kind of helps if you put both of the flaps in before you turn it one more time, like so, and then you adhere it down. Then the flaps will stay in and they won't be, too short. I'll show you here. Right here, I did it without doing that. It was one of my first ones that I did. And I didn't do that, and so it makes it a little bit harder for the flap to stay in. As you can see on both sides. I went in just a little too much. So that's my tip to you, and see, they go in perfectly when you do that. They do not. There is no problem to do it this way. It goes in perfectly. It's a really cute little lip balm die, and the lip balm is already in there. And so that's my tip for this. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I will have my affiliate link for her shop for the dies that I share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.